What's up, guys? I'm out here in Hong Kong. Just arrived about 2 hours ago. Oh my God! Will! This is at ex-Canadian. Oh, he's it. Alright, you want to introduce yourself?
No.
Introduce yourself.
No.
Oh, okay, this is ex-Canadian. He's a
savage
He's a very small Instagrammer. He's not.
Small.
Now we're gonna meet up with a model right now that at ex-Canadian set up.
Call me Steven. My name is Steven.
His actual name is Steven, but nobody calls him that. So we just walked up about 10 flights of stairs and now we're
Oh, thank God we have water. Trust me, those stairs is not easy to walk.
it's so bad.
Oh, but we can see the ocean from here.
Can you?
Yeah, a little bit of the...
Oh, yeah, guys,
water.
check it out. If you guys, you can see the ocean a little bit from here. It's so cool. Okay, now we're gonna climb up this little, what would you call it?
Staircase to heaven.
Yeah, mini staircase to heaven. Let's call it that. So now we're gonna like explore the second level. Swastika here. I don't know why somebody would draw that, but let's check out what Steven's up to right now. Check out the master at work. Say bye because she has to go to
Go back to my agency and work some more.
Yeah.
It's a lovely house.
So bye, and then but now our friend Lethe is gonna come and meet up with us, so that should be an awesome time. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
How to stop? How to stop?
This is at Dam at Lethe.
Hello.
Hey. What's up? How you doing, man?
Yeah.
Good to see you. Yo, my boy Lethe.
Hello.
Look at the old black. Hello.
And Oreo.
Hey, get lit. He's an awesome photographer. Check him out for sure. I'll tag him somewhere here.
Oreo sponsor.
So now we just met up with Lethe. It's not too late to check out a rooftop, so we're gonna check out a rooftop somewhere around here. I don't know yet. If it's successful, I'll let you guys know once we get up there. All right, peace. So we might have bad news. We climbed up to one of like the tallest buildings in like the main area, right? I think one of the workers actually like realized that we came up here because the door was unlocked, right? So he's like threatening to lock us up here, and it seemed like he did lock us up here. So I don't know what's gonna happen. The sunset's gonna be like in 20 minutes. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I'll let you guys know in a little bit. But for now, enjoy these sights here. Hopefully everything works out, but as of this moment, I don't actually know. We just got out of the sick rooftop, right? And we actually got locked up there, like I was explaining before. So we found this old man who was just like around the corner, and like we yelled at him and we were like, hey, you, like, can you like help us like get out of this rooftop, right? It took him like 10 minutes, but he actually got us out. And then so we took the elevator down with a bunch of people. We're home free, like we're all set, right? Psych. So this is what happened. There was a security guard that was waiting for us, and I'm thinking in my head like I'm gonna have to like say something, right? So as we walk about 10 steps, it was me in the front, Steven, and Lethe. As we were walking out, they were behind me, but like the security guard comes to me and he's like, hey, you, stop, police. I'm thinking in my head, like, I'm like, why me? Like, there's two people that was with me, but like, he ran past everybody just to get to me, and he was stopping me. Dun, dun, dun. And I'm like, bruh, why would you do that to me, right? So I was walking past, he was like trying to like grab onto me, he was grabbing onto me. I'm like, whatever, walking fast, and then as we get out, we're home free. He was like, police, and we just like walked out, and yeah, we got out. Now we're set right here. It was a good time.
Where are we?
And now we're gonna check out the DJI store. This is me now. Check out these quadcopters though. Massive. Hey Ken, if you're watching this, we need to get that for the office. Get the details, get the details. Yeah. Like Ronin M. Ken, we need it. And then don't look at the price. Don't look at the price. And maybe this.
You just block
If we have the budget, maybe the Ronin 2. Oh my god, the dead cat coat.
Yo 你好 ，Hello， 我係 Leafy 啊，初次見面，精神準時遲到。
Lethy, can you explain what we're doing right now?
我哋依家去旺角食雞煲。
What else? Is that it?
Yeah, that's all.
trying to get 13.50. Ah no! I hate coins so much. Okay. 13.50. All right, now let's go get some food now.
注意安全，站稳扶好，请别再。
即係你要睇下點樣去。Amanda, Leafy 朋友
，Leafy 的朋友，
我的中文不好，对不起。
中文很好，
我的中文很好。
178，178。
不錯，不錯。 So they're checking out my video on the MTR. I don't know why.
邊度嚟㗎呢度？
Okay, so they took me to this restaurant. I have no clue where we are right now, but it seems pretty lit. Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of people here.
All the master。
All the masters. 你叫什么名字？ Draco. Check out his feed. It's so fire. It's so fire. Check it out. CLD Draco. Right there. It's not focused. Photo, no photo. So now we just finished eating. It's about 10:30, right, Lethy? Let me see. What time is it?
10:50.
Apparently, Lethy knows everybody in Hong Kong. Now.
Yeah. If you come to Hong Kong, just follow Leafy. Yeah.
11mm. Check it out, real quick. Okay, look at that. Oh! Oh my god!
Ugly. 不過對付睇下嘅。
This is the BTS of Instagrammers. He's not even using, it's not even a selfie. But we're gonna do it anyways. Let's see how it looks. Oh, so good.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, CLD.
It's great to meet you. Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye.
See you, man.
It's good seeing you again, always, bro.
Okay, yeah, see you in June. See you,
Bye,
man.
Leafy. Bye-bye.